I can make the most efficient forced air system where I can guarantee you're not going to have a speck of dust come out of your vents. I'm gonna put a piece of sheet metal in where the filter goes. You're not going to get no air through either. But that's what you're doing. You put these high efficiency air filters in. I've been in this business for over 30 years. People who use high efficiency air filters, I see your motors going bad a lot faster than the others. We have talks about this with, you get the tech support guys, you go to classes, and we get to do our little powwows asking questions. And we believe what happened, these motors are designed to run at a specific RPM. And if you put an air filter in there that's too tight, by just the holes are so small, it's going to stop everything. The motor doesn't have the resistance it has, so it spins actually faster than what it's supposed to. When the motors are overclocked, they burn out. And we laugh. Go ahead, put these filters in. My favorite service call, get out to a house. My second floor isn't cooling. You go downstairs and you see this MERV 14 filter in there and you laugh. Well, you're not getting no air through. We take the filter out, put a standard air filter in. Oh, my airflow is so much better on the second floor. No. When you have something that has a hole that's this big, air can go through it. All of a sudden, you're going to try to stop dust, dirt, pollen, and put these filters in with these holes that are this big. You're not getting no airflow. What does that do? That actually changes on air conditioning. Airflow is going to change your refrigerant levels where they need to be, because the air is not going through it. You're not evaporating the refrigerant. Refrigerant comes in from the air conditioner outside as a liquid, goes into the coil, and then expands into a gas. When it expands, it gets cold. Laws of thermodynamics, hot travels to cold. You can't make it go the other way. If you don't have enough airflow, you're not expanding that refrigerant all the way. Now you have liquid refrigerant going back to the compressor. You can't compress liquids. It can't happen. These units are made for compressing a gas, making it back into a liquid. If you already have a liquid, you're destroying your compressors. So much happens by people trying to filter their air, not knowing what they're doing, and causing more harm than good. There's standalone filters. There are MERV 12, 14 filters that I can recommend, but they're in a filter box that's 5 inches wide, so you have 30 feet of surface area. Then, you're okay. You're gonna have enough air going through. But when you try to take these filters and you stick them in a 1-inch filter rack, ain't no good.
So you should be able to see your hand through a filter.
You can see your hand through a fiberglass air filter. That's the only thing we recommend. If you can see your hand through it, the cheapest filters you could buy at Home Depot. Unfortunately now, I try to buy a fiberglass air filter that are getting tougher to get a hold of. But when I'm getting them, they're $3, $4 a piece. I remember when these things used to be 47 cents a pop, and I can get them by the dozen or by a case, and I'm getting them for 20 cents. I mean, filters nowadays are going crazy.